Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. We have Rick Jamerson here again. Hey Rick, what's up, man?
Hey, hi YouTube.
Good, thank you. Today we are going to do a brake job, and it's a front brake job, so they're going to be discs and brake pads. So let's get those wheels off and do that brake job. We get the car jacked up with wheel chucks and jack stand. Now all we have to do is take off the tire and change out the brake pads. Alright guys, we just got the tire off, and upon examining the brake pads, we noticed that they're just fine. Okay, so we're not gonna do a brake job for you guys today. Sorry, I didn't realize that these brakes were in such good shape. Here's the new pad if you want to compare, and the old side by side. They almost have the same amount of material. So if you actually wanted to do this job, all you do is take off this top bolt, and there's one right down from it. Take those two off, slide off the back of your caliper, put in your new pads, and put those bolts back on, and put your tire back on, and the brake job will be done. But sorry we didn't actually get to show it to you because we're not taking this apart, because these brake pads are just fine. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.